Learn Hebrew. I need equals.
אני צריך.
Welcome. Hey, this episode is brought to you by Synapse Lingo, your fun way to speak Hebrew fast. Welcome to Synapse Lingo's quick cast where we turn I need into confident Hebrew.
אני צריך.
Visit www.synapse-lingo.com for more resources and freebies. Side effect: you might get coffee faster today. Your goal today.
אני צריך.
By the end, you'll say it clearly, use it anywhere, and even crack a smile while doing it. Map it once, use it forever. I need equals.
אני צריך.
Masculine. If you're female, say.
אני צריכה.
Examples: I need coffee.
אני צריך. קפה.
At the store I say, I need a bag.
בחנות אני צריך. שקית.
I need to leave now.
אני צריך. לעזוב עכשיו.
Mini dialogue, coffee run. Let's act it out, short, silly, and useful. You, to barista, I need coffee. In Hebrew.
אני צריך. קפה.
Barista, you need coffee? Me too. Your pronunciation earns you an extra smile. You, at checkout, I need a bag. Hebrew.
אני צריך. שקית.
Clerk, bag secured. Your day is now 17% less awkward. At a kiosk, I need cold water. Hebrew.
אני צריך. מים קרים.
Baker joke, he says, I need dough. You reply, I need bread. Hebrew.
אני צריך. לחם.
Quick rhythm and pronunciation. Say it with rhythm so it sticks. Clap the beat ta-ta, ta-ta and say.
אני צריך.
Female voice version.
אני צריכה.
Tip. Reach your hand forward like taking something while saying it. Gesture boosts memory. Drill time. Repeat after me. Short pauses are yours to speak. I need water.
אני צריך. מים.
I need more time.
אני צריך. עוד זמן.
I need my keys.
אני צריך. מפתחות.
I don't need sugar.
אני לא צריך. סוכר.
Emergency mode. I need oxygen.
אני צריך. חמצן.
Culture tip. Kiosks and kindness. A tiny bit of culture goes a long way. At a Tel Aviv kiosk, say.
אני צריך. מים קרים.
Add, please.
בבקשה.
And give a friendly nod. The hand-reaching gesture while saying.
אני צריך.
Reads as polite and helps you get served fast. Quiz time. Ready to play? Quick questions, quick wins. Q1. How do you say, I need, in Hebrew? A.
אני צריך.
Q2. Fill the blank. At the store I say, blank, a bag. A.
אני צריך.
Q3. You hear.
אני צריך. מים.
Meaning? A. I need water. Q4. Odd one out. Need, must, want. Which is want in Hebrew? A.
אני רוצה.
Challenge. Speed round. Flex your memory. Combo chain. Say it fast.
אני צריך.
Slash.
אני לא צריך.
Slash.
אני צריך.
Now say, I need to leave now.
אני צריך. לעזוב עכשיו.
Speed round. Quick. Say, I need, in Hebrew in 5 seconds. Wrap up. You crushed it, short, smart, and memorable. Thanks for listening with Synapse Lingo. Keep practicing.
אני צריך.
Today, order coffee, ask for a bag, or request more time. For more bite-size English Hebrew lessons, drills, and downloads, visit www.synapse-lingo.com. See you next episode.